Basic Prepositions, brought to you by the American School of English International. Check us out on the web at americanschoolofelenglish.info. Let's dive right in. Some prepositions used for expressing place are also used in prepositional phrases that express dates and time. Example: on Monday, there will be a meeting from 8 o'clock until 9. On Monday, there will be a meeting from 8 o'clock until 9. So now let's dissect this sentence and let's look for all the prepositions. So let's go. Our first preposition is, drum roll, on. Good. Good. On. What about our second preposition? Guess what our second preposition will be? From. Good. From. And we have one more. Can you guess where that one is at? Very good. Until. Until. So we have on, from, and until. Great. Let's move on. Now, let's look for our prepositional phrases. So here we have the same sentence. Okay, so now let's read it one more time. On Monday, there will be a meeting from 8 o'clock until 9. On Monday, there will be a meeting from 8 o'clock until 9. Now let's look for the phrases. Can you guess where the first phrase is? Bingo. On Monday is our first prepositional phrase. Good. And can you guess where our second prepositional phrase is? Good. From 8 o'clock. From 8 o'clock is our second prepositional phrase. Good. And the last one, yeah, you guessed it. Until 9 is our third prepositional phrase. Good. So let's go over that one more time. Let's go on Monday. Good. From 8 o'clock. Good. Until 9. Good. All right, let's move on. Now, let's look at how they're used with time and dates. Let's go. Prepositional phrases for time. Here we have at 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock. Next one, on Wednesday. On Wednesday. Good. Next one, at night. At night. Good. On Monday morning. On Monday morning. Next one, before lunchtime. Before lunchtime. Let's go over those one more time. Ready? At 1 o'clock. Next one, on Wednesday. Next one, at night. Next one, on Monday morning. And last one, before lunch. Good. Now, let's look at prepositional phrases for dates. Our first one is on January 31st. On January 31st. Next one, on Independence Day. On Independence Day. Next one, on my birthday. On my birthday. Next one, on New Year's Eve. On New Year's Eve. Next one, on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day. Let's go over that one more time. Ready? On January 31st. On Independence Day. On my birthday. On New Year's Eve. On Christmas Day. Good job. Let's move on now. So, let's check out some other phrases using dates and time. Ready? Let's go. Until 5 o'clock. Until 5 o'clock. During the day. During the day. Between 5 o'clock and 7 p.m. Between 5 o'clock and 7 p.m. For 10 years. For 10 years. Throughout the day. Throughout the day. After midnight. After midnight. Let's go over that one more time. Ready? Okay, let's go. Until 5 o'clock. During the day. Between 5 o'clock and 7 p.m. For 10 years. Throughout the day. After midnight. Good. Let's move on. Let's make some sentences. This will be fun. Ready? Okay, here we go. I have to be home at 1 o'clock. I have to be home at 1 o'clock. Will you be home during the day? Will you be home during the day? We're open between 5 o'clock and 7 p.m. We're open between 5 o'clock and 7 p.m. I've been in this town for 10 years now. I've been in this town for 10 years now. I have to check on her throughout the day. I have to check on her throughout the day. And last one, the creatures come out after midnight. The creatures come out after midnight. Now, I'm going to leave you to go over all 6 sentences. Ready? Set? Go. Excellent work. Very nicely done. And remember, prepositional phrases are a very important part of the English language. Very important, with emphasis on very important. Learning them is not so easy. But with practice and some experience traveling, exposure to any language being the key ingredient, you'll get good in no time. Thanks for watching. This segment was brought to you by AmSen. For more cool stuff, like and subscribe.